Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. In previous episode, I talked about what I have in my mind, explained the project, and told that I wanted to make a solid character controller till next week. And I just did that. It is pretty basic, but I think it's a good foundation to build upon, and I will add more features along the way. Okay, let's just look at what I have in my hands right now. I created this simple test scene to demonstrate. Obviously, you can look around, you can walk and sprint. Head bob changes magnitude and speed according to the player's state. FOV also changes depending on if you're walking, sprinting or crouching. And yes, you can crouch. And a raycast checks if there is a ceiling just above you to prevent player from clipping into ceilings. I can also detect if an interactable object is in range, and if it is, player can interact with it. And that's it, basically. That's the whole thing I made last week. Let's take a look at the code. I won't explain how I coded things, I just want to show what I did and how it looks. I also created a public GitHub repo for all the scripts I'll be creating for the game, including this one. So you can check out the code yourself and even use it in your own projects. Okay, back to the code. I try to keep things as clean and organized as possible because things get messy pretty quickly as the development progresses. I've organized all the variables, vectors, etc. using headers and kept them private using serialized field. And I left update function as empty as possible and wrote separate functions for everything I can, for modularity. Now that we have a somewhat playable character, I'll start to work on the game design. I need to think about and decide what kind of gameplay I want for this game and start designing actual levels. Till next week, I want to make a basic title screen and lay down a bare bones intro chapter. I'll have to find or create different models for the level. And even though it's relatively easy, I won't add post-processing to the game yet. Okay, this was the devlog episode 1 for the Project Red Planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Hoşça kalın.